Hello, I'd like to tell you about Erasmus+, the new European Union funding program for education, training, youth and sport. Erasmus+ builds on the success of Erasmus, the hugely popular EU student exchange program, but it's bigger and better. With a budget of nearly 15 billion euro, that's 40% more than now, Erasmus+ will offer more international opportunities than ever before.
Over the next 7 years, more than 4 million people, most under the age of 35, will receive Erasmus+ grants to study, work, train or volunteer abroad. You can be a part of Erasmus+ if you're a student, teacher, apprentice, volunteer, youth leader, or if you're involved in grassroots sport.
With this program, there will also be more international exchange opportunities for non-EU students and teachers.
In these difficult times, it will boost your employability by improving your language skills, adaptability and self-confidence. It's a chance to meet people from different cultures and to discover new ideas and new ways of thinking and living. And believe me, the memories of this experience and the friends you will make will stay with you forever.
Regardless of your age or background, Erasmus+ will challenge you to reach your full educational and professional potential. So, what are you waiting for? Visit the Erasmus+ website to see how it works and what grants are available in your country.
And get ready for an unforgettable journey.